Okay, so in this live stream, um, I'm gonna like install Gentoo Linux since I haven't tried for a while. So hello guys, this is gonna be my first attempt in like compiling Gentoo throughout the whole entire live stream. But I need to add like a timer. So I'll be back once I have something to modify. Okay, I don't know how to fix this, but I'm on Arch Linux. Look at my desktop; it's very good. And I need to like how do I stop? Oh, we have to enable it. You have to enable it, right? What? Or maybe restart. How do I stop a service? I type stop and it doesn't stop. Okay, I think I have to install Chemo. If you don't know what that is, it's like a better thing for the virtualizer. I already have VirtualBox and VMware installed. Oh, what? Oh, I haven't got VirtualBox installed, only VMware, so I don't know what, but why do I have to install, why do I have to use this program? Because they think it's faster than any virtualization software. I don't know why. But they said use this software instead. So I have to install Chemo, which on the Arch base says, oh, you want proof? I have Arch. Oh, you want proof? Oh, okay, I'll give you proof. Here is it, Arch Linux. Okay, now I have to restart this thing. Let's show Chemo. Hello? Here's Alexi. It still won't show Chemo. Hello? It won't show Chemo. I got Chemo.
Cheese powder.
Ibutang dagan powder. Guys, how do I install? I already have Chemo. Okay, Chemo. New. Okay, finally. Okay. Now oh, sakto na. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, local install media ISO media CD. So you have to get the ISO file, which I have no idea how to use this. Oh, browser. Okay. What is the minimum specs for the Gentoo? 4 gigs. Am I loved? Okay. 512. AI is so, I don't know, inaccurate sometimes.
Name? Name dili.
Would you like to start the network now? No. What the hell is this? Unable to complete install. I think I need to run this as sudo, right? Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. It already defaults to Chemo, which is a good thing. And it's so blurry. Oh my god, why is it blurry?
I'm getting a ton.
This one.
I'm getting a ton.
Sorry for my brother for...
I'm getting a ton.
Guys, sorry for my brother for talking in the background. It is not my fault. What?
Ipalit sa kong platform mo.
Could not start virtual network. Append the following line to this. If this is Linux isn't easy if you don't know how to use. But I'll teach you. You just type nano slash. I think you need to sudo it. So etc slash libvirt slash network.conf. Then you find this thing called firewall backend. What is append the following line? It's all in comments. What is this? Do I have to? Do I have to like?
What are colors?
Baka na naman
How
wala
to
siya.
spell LOL?
Siya
G?
wala. Look, it even says Gentoo Linux in there. Okay. Okay, maybe you have to uncomment it. I have no idea why is it not working. Unable to complete installed requested operation. This lifetime is gonna be long. Requested operation is not valid. I hate this software is not good, man. It's not the best software. How do people manage to set this up easily, bro? How the frick do you fix this? How do you fix this? Kasama na niyo eh. Virtual network default. Oh, that's for the virtual network. I have to add myself to the what? Path to VM folder. Oh no way, this is written in one of. Should I use VirtualBox instead? Undergo networking. Left moon was running. It is running. What am I gonna do again? I'm already enabled it. Look. Sudo pacman-s libvirt. It says reinstalling. What? Honestly, I'm reinstalling. How do people manage to set this up so easily? Well, I am literally losing my crap here. There's no. I hope AI is gonna fix this. I swear to God, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, work. Okay, thank you, Gemini. Okay, thank you, Gemini. What is it? That's dirty. No, I don't. Okay. I don't know what is it doing now. I should immediately like boot into something. I don't. Yeah, she Gentoo is running. I need to check. I need to push it. Why is my GPU? Why is it using? Oh my God, Firefox, you bastard, man! Boy, you bastard, Firefox. Well, this is booting so long. Look at my cursor. Oh, look, even there is this thing. Look at my cursor, it's gonna make it big, look. Look at my cursor, guys, it's getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger, it's getting bigger. Oh my God, oh my God. Fast fetch. Near fetch. Portage. What? Also, you cannot use portage on a live CD. Very interesting. Okay, time to what? Time to I don't know what to use it. Read the handbook and read the tutorial from YouTube because I have no idea how to use this. And it's on the VM and they say this is the fast. And I'm going to destroy you all. Stop using Arch. Only how to build Linux from scratch. You read the whole entire book and regret it later. Google.com. Okay, it's working.
If you do not have an Ethernet connection available, I will provide a link for the IWCTL command in the description. And the guide recommends you.
So you need to like partition the disks, which I don't know how big is this thing. It's 20 GB.
Command to quit out there.
So
Alright, now we can clear the
50.
terminal and jump into partitioning the disks.
Clear.
And the guide recommends using fdisk, but I have learned throughout the years that cfdisk is a much nicer tool for partitioning disks.
Even on the Arch Linux installation, the guide thing, yes, use this thing called cfdisk.
So we will go ahead and type cfdisk dev sda.
Or you don't have to.
For the label type,
Look, see,
we are
20
going to
gigs, I
select
wanted 50.
just like in our installation of Arch, by
Is
the
it
way,
going to like hard?
because this is a UEFI system. Now, in cfdisk, we will create three partitions. So first we'll hit enter, and we'll type 1G, and hit enter again to create our 1 gigabyte boot partition. Then we will go down and hit enter, and type 4G, and hit enter to create our 4 gigabyte swap partition. This is important so that if our machine's RAM gets capped, it does not crash. And lastly, we'll just hit down and enter twice to create our root partition with the remaining disk
So
space.
15 gigabytes, I don't think it's gonna be fine for our system. This live stream is great.
We'll type yes to confirm, and we will hit enter on quit.
Wait, how long is the Arch install guide on the Gentoo? This one's like 31, and the Arch one is... this is gonna be tough.
Clear the terminal.
22 minutes for the
Type
Arch.
LSBLK to confirm that our partition scheme looks good, and as we see, it is all there.
What
And
is
now it
VDA?
time to make the file systems. So we'll go ahead and clear the terminal. So we will type mkfs.ext4/dev/sda3, and that is going to be our file system. And for
Oh, we know VDA. Why is it VDA?
mkfs.fat-32/dev/sda1.
This is just the Arch tutorial. I can't caps lock in here. Hello, is this a bug? Why can't I caps lock? Is this part of the... Is this... I can't caps lock. Oh, now I have to type shift. I have to press shift.
And now it is time.
Break swap. What's this? That's VD8.
To mount these partitions.
This is
So
just
the
Arch Linux,
Gentoo
bro.
guide suggests that we do mount it in the Gentoo directory that is inside MNT. So we will have to create
And
them.
what is the maximum size for Gentoo? I don't want to. What is the recommend size? I swear to God. And it's 40 gigabyte. Okay. This tutorial right now is you go into Linux Mint, then do something, then try it. It does not work. So I prefer to get to ISO thing.
And we'll type mkdir-p Gentoo directory that is inside
The
MNT.
Denshi video
So
one
we'll have to
uses
create that
Linux
directory.
Mint, so I
So
don't wanna do
clear
it.
the terminal. And we'll type mkdir-p for parent /mnt/gentoo. So we'll go ahead and type mount/dev/sda3/mnt/gentoo, and we'll type swap-on/dev/sda2, and we'll head over to installing the stage file. And the most important part about this is to make sure the date is correct. So let's go ahead and type date. And we need to make sure this date is correct, otherwise later in the install process we will run into issues.
It's already
So
February
make that
13,
is the
11,
correct date,
18.
So we can move on to the next step.
Did it just...
So
Oh, it's using
we will
this.
cd into our root partition, cd mnt Gentoo, and now it is time to download our Gentoo tarball, and we're going to use this links command to do so.
Links https://www.gentoo.org/download/mirrors. Not mirrors, mirrors. There we go. Yeah. Downloads. What is it? Where is it? Gentoo Linux logo.
And we'll type in links https://www.gentoo.org/downloads/mirrors. We'll hit enter here, and we'll go ahead and go down to the download section. And we see the stage 3 OpenRC.
Okay, stage 3 OpenRC. But why not System D? Why not System D? I don't know. I don't know.
45 megabyte file.
I have to follow
That's
the
the one we're
tutorial.
gonna be downloading
Sorry.
today. So we're just gonna hit enter and save it. Give that a couple seconds. Alright. Quit this by pressing Q.
Now we gotta wait. Does Arch Linux have these links command thing? Oh, it does. Okay, it does. Now what?
And then enter.
Just-
And to confirm we have that, let's just do a quick ls. And there it is.
Oh my god, what is stage 3 AMD 64 OpenRC 2026-20? What the hell?
So to actually install this tarball,
Tar XPVF stage 3. That tar the oh no, I mean the name. AMD 64 OpenRC 2026 T 163056C dot tar.exe. This was Sutters.
go ahead and run this command here. So let's type this command tar xpvf stage, and I will use tab to autocomplete that. --xadders -include equals quote.
Is this the quote? Is this the quote? Is this the quote? I think this is the code. I am not sure.
Star. Quote that dash numeric. And we will go ahead and let that rip.
Oh my god! Something is hacking my PC. I think it needs to be something. That user bin system D user include. There's the entire C head, and even Python, even GCC, even everything. Everything is everything. Just wait. You know, like things get.
Alright, looks like it's done installing. And we need to confirm that, we'll type ls.
I don't think it's installing, but it's extracting.
And as we see, we do have that Linux file system all set up here. Alright, this is probably the most important step of the installation, and that is to
Just wait. You know, things get so damn slow. Even on Gentoo. Gentoo is designed to compile everything what you want. Firefox, KDE, your entire kernel, even its commands. And if it's too long, then I'm probably about to cancel this live stream because it's not gonna happen anymore. Why can't I do this on Windows? Because it's slow. Just like and it's Microsoft loves AI. It wants you to collect their data without telling you. They like to kiss your ass to the
modify our make.conf file.
even the with the handbook. No, the handbook just said configuring the network. Preparing the disks and the stage file. make.conf. So nano mount etc. voltage, meaning the package manager of Gentoo, then make conf. And is it done? Not yet. This will take for a second. Don't worry. I'm just gonna read the handbook. Wait, how many chapters is this? $28. Oh my god. This is gonna be really tough, man. It's not yet installing yet. By the way, look at my desktop, you guys. Did you see my desktop? It's a spinning chair. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. Okay, we're now in the var section thing, so I think we're almost done. So when we're done, we have to like... Oh, we're done. Okay. Now, nano slash mount slash Gentoo slash etc. And what are
Gentoo is a source-based distribution, which means you can have the option of compiling all of your programs from source. And with that, you are given the ability to change your make flags. For us, today we're only going to look at the use flags and the make opts. So let's jump into that make.conf file by typing vi/mnt/make.
Oh, this guy uses Vim.
Make.conf. And let's navigate down to this line, and let's create a new line by typing O, and we will type make opts in all caps equals. And in here we can specify how many parallel compilations should occur when it's...
How do you like make opts equals?
It's only a package. And the wiki recommends taking the minimum number of either the RAM divided by 2 or the number of threads your CPU has. I have configured this machine to have 10 gigabytes of RAM and 5 CPU threads, so I'll be setting my J flag to 5. So we'll type -J5.
What? I don't understand, you know. Make opts. What about for this one is like 4 gigs of RAM, so what about for 4 gigs of RAM? I'll ask AI. What Gentoo for 4 gig of RAM make opts? My god, I would rather J2 dash L I'm not trusting you, buddy. Not just J2, I guess he just type J2. J2?
I have configured this machine to have 10 gigabytes of RAM and 5 CPU threads, so I'll be setting my J flag to 5. So we'll type -J5. And for the best feature of Gentoo, use flags, 5. So we'll type -J5. And for the best feature of Gentoo, use flags. These are what tell your package manager how each package will be configured when they're installed. So for example, if you don't use Bluetooth and you install a package with the -Bluetooth use flag, the program will not be installed with Bluetooth support. This is extremely helpful to reduce bloat. And today we're not going to go too crazy, but we will just add the following redactions to our use
What
flags.
the heck?
So we'll type use equals quote minus systemd, because we're using OpenRC today, minus KDE minus none, because we're not going to be using those desktop environments, and minus Bluetooth.
Systemd. I'm just gonna copy this guy, I don't care anymore.
And we will
KDE.
hit escape,
No.
because we're using OpenRC today, minus
I don't want GNOME is bloated.
because we're not going to be using those desktop environments, and minus Bluetooth. And we will hit escape, wqt,
Okay, I want also I have no idea. I have no idea, man. If this is the hardest distro in my
This
opinion.
file
And this guy's using Vim.
terminal to move on to the Gentoo installation. Oh, alright, I feel like I've said this 30 times in this video already, but we're actually finally going to install the Gentoo base system. In order to install the Gentoo base system, we first need to copy the DNS info by running this command. So we'll type cp --d /nc
Kasi mo na akong crush ko. Ano, dili sila mulakaw ako.
.com.
I am tired, bro.
Copy that into /mnt/gentoo/nc. And next we need to mount the necessary file systems. Now this may seem tedious, but just follow along and write these commands exactly as they are laid out in the wiki. So we'll type mount -m.
Okay. Let's just watch this guy before we do any action, because you know what? Yeah. What is the purpose for make ops, by the way? What is that?
Oh.
This is it. Okay, mount this types. Rock. Can I copy them? Here? Maybe you cannot, because there's no good if it's gonna fucking work. Mount.
proc/procs base into Gentoo --hardline -sit -mnt Gentoo -sit
Mount dash rbind /sys/mount /mount
--make-rslave
our slave
/mnt
/our slave.
/Gentoo/sys
Oh, you
mount
mount
-hardline/dev
just like make our slave again, you know?
/dev mount --dash
Okay.
find select /run/mnt/gentoo/run and mount --make slave/mnt/gentoo/run. Beautiful. Alright, now
Beautiful
it's time
indeed.
to intrude into the new environment. So we'll type c/mnt/gentoo/bin dash
In the back, I just type dash instead of bash. Source etc profile.
export ps1 equals $ps1 and what that would
PS1, like the game console.
give us a visual reminder that we are in the root environment. One last step before we let the base install RIP is to mount our root partition. So we're going to type mount /dev sda1
Oh, this is tough. What if I'm on boot like BIOS mode? Like there are types of things like BIOS, UEFI, but what if this is in BIOS? Do I type boot instead of EFI? I think so. Like in the Arch Linux thing. Okay, let's go with boot. Okay, thank you.
And that is very important for you.
Hey, you better chill the hell out, man. Don't type too fast, bro. You don't do. Okay, slash boot.
Later on, install grub. Now let's go ahead and sync our package manager by typing emerge dash
Oh, emerge di emerge dash
web
web
rsync.
rsync. There is an error occurred. Puputong discard. Checking this signature with Kemato. Fun fact. Do you wanna install this using the Archway? Try it yourself. Maybe you guess the packages. You need to like type a command which lists every packages, then install the apt, which I have no idea how to install apt. Wait, it's compiling? Oh my god.
Alright.
Wait, it's compiling?
Package manager by typing emerge dash web rsync.
Oh, you've got the beginning. I have to AFK. He's extracting. How do you like? Oh crap! Okay, I think it's changing so slowly. Look, extracting into 2026 to 12 Tarek C, and it's taking for a while because Gentoo is all about compiling through the whole thing. What is this? Binary package host. Wait. Oh, not now. Now it's breaking the philosophy. The developer software specifically for Gentoo Linux development is not meant to be used by casual users. This breaks the philosophy, bro. Binary, unlike Arch Linux, Gentoo is all about compiling everything from source, like but in Arch. It's same, but using binary packages it makes things easier. It's taking for a while. I don't know what I'm thinking. What is this? Release engineering team. As offered and often. Since December 2023, Gentoo's release engineering team has offered an official binary package host, colloquially sorted by just Pinterest. Oh my god, I got an error. Using rsync to refresh Valdibo repos Genta. Like Bento. Get Tutu for voltage to set up the necessary keyring for verification. Oh wait, video cards. I have to. Okay, Kimo KVM. Wait. Boot. EFI. DOS Legacy. Oh, sakto lagi ko. You type boot instead of EFI. In the tutorial you type boot EFI, but in the Gentoo it's EFI. bastard, you are a liar, brother. Brother, you are a liar, bro. Why are you being so dishonest? During this operation, image web serial parsing will might complain what I'm missing. var db repos Gentoo location. This is to be expected and nothing to worry about. From this point onward, Voltage might mention that certain updates are recommended to be executed. And it's still using rsync to refresh var db repos Gentoo. Patience is a virtue. Optionally, selecting mirrors. In order to download source code, it is recommended to select a fast geographically Gentoo mirrors variable. Alright. There's something wrong with my system. And it's still stuck in this screen. They're using rsync thing for a billion years now. Just fucking wait. Oh man, it's stuck forever, look. It's stuck forever. Reading new items. When the Gentoo email repository is synchronized, purchase may output informational messages similar to the following. Important to news items. Reading from repository Gentoo. Still stuck. I'm still stuck. Wait, no, my system is about to die. What is this memory usage? What is that? I think I'm gonna cancel this live stream, I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry guys, I have to cancel the live stream. I have to cancel the live stream. Once my memory is out of usage, it's completely done. Memory. Oh, okay, it's so laggy. It's now so laggy. Oh my god. Look, I'm already like an hour ahead now. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Is it compiling? I think it's compiling because it's Gentoo. But in Arch, it's okay. It's okay because again, Arch is not source based. It's independent and it's binary based. But Gentoo is all about, I love compiling everything from scratch. Basically. To use system D, select a profile which has system D in the name and vice versa. If not,
No!
when this is about to end, when this is about to end, I advertise why right, but why is mine? It's still stuck using rsync to. DB repos. Guys, I think I'm gonna cancel. I have no idea. Stuck. Oh, is it compiling? Ignore my. Oh hell no! I just leaked my chat memory. Hey guys, cat video meme KDE install header image rephrasing a statement dealing with cyberbullying jacks on Swiftsby on the Python snake Hearts of Iron 4. Oh, I'm gonna try this game out. Gentoo download guide and invert socket failure fix. I'm gonna oh, finally it's finished. What now? I can't type anything. Is it over? Oh, I think it's over.
That is synced up and ready to go. And let's select our profile. To list the profiles, go ahead and type
E-select profile list. Type less.
So as you can see, my profile
Uy.
is already set correctly.
Uy, mulag na akong ay memory leak na guys, memory leak na dyan, GG na. Ako na lag na akong PC. I don't want system D, I don't want system D. Hardened.
21 by the star here. So if you wanted to pick a different profile, let's say for example,
Star ba? Okay, star.
well, you wanted the system D stable profile. What you would do is you would quit out of less by typing Q, and you would type deselect profile set and the number of whatever profile you want. So in my case, I'm going to keep it at number 21. So I'll set it to 21, and to confirm it's there, we just type deselect profile list one more time, and we do see that stuff.
Is this okay now?
Or
I don't see 17.1 there, nothing.
So we'll quit out of that once again, and clear the terminal.
Okay, I don't know what do I do. How do I exit? Yes, escape. How do I escape? Control Shift C, Control C, Control Z. Okay, Control Z.
Now let's sync merge with our profile. Merge dash sync dash quiet. Alright, and I've said this about 30 times this video, I feel like, but we're finally ready to install Gentoo. So let's update our world set.
I don't care how many times did you said, unless it's a good tutorial. I don't care if you said let's like Windows is done, Windows is finished, Windows is successfully installed, Windows, yeah. Bro, it's optional. It's an option. Will have installed a very recent snapshot. This is optional. I can just skip. Oh wait. Wait, do I have to use this instead? Wait. Users can select before set to. So if I want KD, I set it to 4. Right. Yup. Alright. Oh, we have to set it to 4. Oh, no. This is what happens if you don't listen.
By typing merge dash ask dash verbose dash update
Welcome back to the other side. Look at my CPU, it's going very high and very down. I don't want a desktop environment. I just want a fast fetch, and I'm done. I am done. just wanna boot up my VM with just the terminal and then press and then type. Oh shit! Yep, this stream is cancelled. I'm sorry guys. I think I'm officially about to cancel this stream. Oh, I screwed it up. You know what? I won't use this environment. Because I want to sleep. It's already like 7 in the PM in the Philippines. Filipinas ay color. Is someone watching my stream? Please don't. Okay, no one is watching my stream. Very, very good. Very nice. Nasty. I don't want.
Japanese craftsmanship.
Yeah, Japanese craftsmanship. Oh, I think I screwed up. It's not working anymore. Look, it's stuck. I know I have to quit. I'm sorry, I have to quit. There's nothing else we can do. Arch is very easy. By the way, for you guys, Arch is the best distro for gaming. And it's faster than Windows, because Windows is so bloated that kills your RAM. But on Linux, if you wanna bloat, go ahead bloat. But if you don't want it, which most users want, don't bloat it. When I start this system, normally they run like a megabyte used. So, yep, Arch is the best distro. How do you dual boot it? I was struggling to dual boot it.
Ah!
Oh my god, this system is so slow. This is why I do not use this type of distros. It will take hours just installing a simple program.
Ah!
I know what guys I did. And if this did I quit? I think I should quit. Because I realized that every program you want to install takes hours to compile. Which I not that good. Sorry about that. If this still says, if this is like this again, I'm gonna quit. Gentoo is hard to use. No, I quit. I'm done. I'm not using it. Shut it off. Shut it off. Force off. Force off. Yeah, delete. Yeah, I can't take it guys. Sorry guys, I have to